flower completely.
Good
I read it
morning.
until the bubble appears on the surface.
Good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning.
Nice. This is a sign of the egg melted well. And
Say
I
good
remove the
morning. Who's
bubbles.
that? Who's that? Who's that you're holding?
Okay. Then
Hello,
I transfer the
Kitty.
egg mixture
Did
to
you
the
have a
bowl.
good sleep?
I add 1.5 cup of the mixture.
Say hello, mommy. Say hello, mommy. How about daddy? Hello, daddy.
Okay. Then I add the same amount of the flour. I add it in 3 portions.
Oh, you have sipon?
I can do
I
it.
dissolve the flour into the mixture. When I dissolve the flour, I don't stir it.
Say good morning first.
I
You're not
put
greeting
this
them good
to prevent
morning.
the gluten from
Say good
binding.
morning. Ay, ay, ay,
It
ay,
is
ay, may
important to make crispy
sipon.
tempura as
You
well.
have sipon. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Of the flour.
Ay, ay.
I use specific
Oh,
chopsticks
say bye-bye
to
na.
tempura.
Say good morning and
What is
bye.
that?
What's that?
It's a
Okay,
black.
this is great thickness.
What's that?
If it's more
It's a
watery,
black.
the batter doesn't stick to the
Bye-bye.
gluten.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye and good
And
morning.
if it's too thick,
Bye.
tempura becomes crispy.
It's a black.
Perfect.
What's the black?
It's a black.
Ah, the camera is out of focus. Oh, say bye-bye na.
I'm going to the
Bye-bye.
ingredients, flour and the butter.